Leo's Jungle Crew, an animal adventure. Once upon a time, in a colorful jungle, there lived 5 very special animals. Let's meet them.
Hello, everyone. I am Leo the lion, the king of the jungle. My golden mane shines in the sun, and my mighty roar echoes through the trees. I may be big and fierce, but I have a heart as warm as the sun.
Hey everyone, I'm Molly the monkey, the queen of fun in the jungle. With my long tail and nimble feet, I can climb the tallest trees and swing from branch to branch. Adventure is my middle name.
Greetings, jungle friends. I'm Toby the Tiger, with stripes as sharp as my senses. I prowl through the jungle with stealth and grace, but don't worry, I'm a friendly feline at heart.
Hoot there. I'm Ollie the Owl, the wisest bird in the jungle. I keep watch over the night, guiding lost travelers with my keen eyesight and hooting wisdom. If you ever need a friend in the dark, just look up.
Hi there! I'm Ellie the Elephant, the largest and loveliest creature around. My long trunk helps me reach high branches for tasty leaves, and I love splashing in the river. Just watch out for my big ears. They can hear everything.
One sunny day, the 5 friends decided to go on an adventure together. They traveled deep into the jungle, exploring new places and meeting new creatures along the way. They came across a sparkling stream where they saw colorful fish swimming. Ellie sprayed water from her trunk, and the fish darted around, playing with the bubbles. Further along, they found a tall tree with ripe, juicy fruits. Molly, with her agile moves, climbed up and tossed fruits down to her friends, laughing all the while. As the day turned into night, Ollie guided them through the dark jungle with his wise advice and keen eyesight. They listened to the sounds of the night, the rustle of leaves, and the distant calls of other animals. Finally, tired but happy, they returned home to their cozy corner of the jungle. They realized that even though they were all different, they made a great team and had lots of fun together. From then on, Leo, Ellie, Molly, Toby, and Ollie were known as the best of friends in the jungle, teaching other animals about teamwork and friendship. And they lived happily ever after, adventuring together and making memories that would last a lifetime.